we have all grown up with the saying like health is wealth, where we all associate wellness and living a healthy lifestyle with this saying. We often forget the monetary impact of health. In India, the health costs are increasing at 15% per annum, and the cheapest way to provide for any kind of health emergency is to have a health insurance. We are exactly going to understand about what is health insurance. Go right now. Click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. So when you take a health insurance, it is like a pure term insurance or motor insurance where you pay a small amount, your premium, to the insurance company, and if during the tenure of the policy, which is generally a year, if you're not hospitalized or you face any health emergency, you do not get anything in return from them. So your health insurance premium is a cost that you're incurring year on year to take care, to provide for any health emergencies. So having a medical insurance to meet any sudden or planned medical requirements is a must, as buying a health insurance is a much cheaper option for anyone than spending all their savings on the treatment. There are two ways in which health insurance works. Is generally a cashless policy or a reimbursement policy. So when you take an insurance which is cashless, you do not have to pay anything to the hospital. The insurance company directly pays to the hospital. In case if there is no cashless feature in your policy, then you have to first pay from your side to the hospital, so you need to have those funds arranged, and then the health insurance company reimburses you for the payment. Ideally, you should go for cashless policies, and you have to be hospitalized to claim health insurance cover. But nowadays there are some health insurance policies which also cover daycare procedures. Because of progress in science, there are some procedures like cataract which do not need hospitalization anymore but are covered in your health insurance policy. Having health insurance is extremely important to have your complete financial life secured in the right manner. Not every place where you spend money to take care of your finances is you're looking for returns, but at some places like your emergency fund, life insurance and health insurance, you're actually taking care of those situations where your money can sink, where your savings and investments can go bust. So you're providing for these situations and pre-planning for them and taking care of it in advance, and then you start investing. We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed it creating for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now. Click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money, which is an online course on A to Z of personal finance. You will learn everything from your asset classes to how to invest in them and make your own financial plan. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. Lastly, don't forget, save hard and invest smart.